Don't forget to give me a like if you like the video. If not, give me a thumbs down. Today, we better change the headlight on Altima. Same thing like that, but different color. It's easy. Let's start. Let's begin. These are the XBs right here. These are the kits I recommend. These are official. They're like 5-year warranty on these. These are your headlight bulbs for the Altima. Altima stock headlight is D2Rs. This is 5500 watt bulb. Well, you know, the color. It should not be that hard. It should be easy. So, let's see how that goes. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Put these headlight bulbs in. These are the 10 mil bolts. Take them off. This one. This one's slippery. Alright. The bulb here. For the bumper. 10 mil. No, 10 mil. Take that off. There's another one back there. If you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. It's over there. Where is it? See my finger? Right there. You see it? Another one. Let's take that off. And there's another one right in there. Where is it? Right there. Let's see. Let me focus. Right there. Alright, let's take it off. There's another one right under the headlight. I don't know if you can see it. It's right in here. Hold on. Right in there. There's like another 10 right there. Let's take it off. Let's take it off. Now let's take the headlight out. Let's take it off. Alright. Now, let's take off the headlight over here. It's the factory headlight. Just take these clips off. Right here. Right here. Push on that. That. Other side like that. Should come right out. This is your factory bulb right here. You're gonna be changing this bulb to the XB one. So let's pull this out. Let's put in a new. That's the new bulb right here. Now let's put it back in. The headlight. Gotta do is put it in like this. Alright, just like that. Make sure you put your clips up right behind here. It goes right behind. See? I'll show you. It goes right in there. Right. Just like that. Just like that. Alright. Make sure it goes around the bowl so it locks it in. It's holding it tight to the headlight so it don't fall out while you're driving. Make sure you connect your ground right here so it turns on, because if you put the whole thing on, everything on, and you forget this, light won't turn on. So don't forget to plug this back right in there. Just like that. Now, let's put this cap back on. So you twist it on there. Make sure when you put this on, you twist. Alright, let's connect these back on. Let's connect this, and your high beams. Now let's put the bolts back on. Remember there was one in there under the headlight. Right under there. Right under there. There's a bolt there. Bolt over here. One in here. Alright, let's put them on. Now, let's put the two bolts that was on the bumper. The one that was back there. The one that was back there somewhere. And one up here. Alright, let's put them on. Just like that, make sure your bolts is in. There's one back there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, the one back there. I don't know, right there. That one and this one right here. Right here. Bam. If you can see it or not. Yeah, right there. Now let's put this back together. See if your headlight works. Turn it on. Bam! Look at that. It's bluish white. And that is it. I'm not gonna do the other side because it's the same thing as this side. So you can handle that side by yourself because I did this side for you. It should be easy now. Alright. So any questions? Let me know. You see, that was it. That was like 5 minutes of your time. So if you have any questions, comment below. Get at me, Juice Mechanics, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright? Because I got a lot more coming.